Hi there, today I'm going to show you how I made this precious forget-me-not flower arrangement in this pretty little forget-me-not teacup. First, we will need to pick some forget-me-nots from the garden. I'm going to take some long stems and some with shorter stems, so we can arrange them in the teacup at the height that we want. Okay, so let me show you my darling teacup. This is it here with the forget-me-not flowers right on the saucer and the cup. Isn't that going to be so cute to put them together? Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. This teacup was my grandmother's and I inherited it. I'm so lucky. I'll never forget her. Here are my forget-me-not flowers that I've picked from my own garden, and the next thing we'll do is to show you how we turn it into a darling little teacup arrangement in my precious forget-me-not teacup. So the next thing you need is some plain old Scotch tape or clear tape, and we're going to use this to help us put some structure into the teacup so that when we put the stems in, they'll stand up and we can fill it out nicely. So all you're going to do is take the strips of tape to just about the same width of the teacup, and you're going to make a grid pattern. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to try to avoid the gold leaf part of the teacup. Just place the tape on the inside. That should do there. So this piece is running here. And like I said, it's going to be like a crisscross pattern. So another piece can go right out there. And then let's do some across as well. At about the same width. So we turn the cup. There we go. And one more. So we have two going across each direction. And then what we have is little holes that we're going to use to put the stems through and use as structure to form the flower arrangement. Let's go ahead and start trimming them down to the height that will fit best in the teacup. It's going to be fairly short, but I think I would like the height to be in the middle. So let me start with that. Start right in the middle. It's a little too tall, go a little shorter. Cleaning the leaves and flowers off the very bottom so that we won't have any greenery in the water, as if the teacup is like a vase. Start in the middle, keeping them about equal height. That's going to be our highest point. So here you can see that I'm getting a little bit closer. Here I have my stems. I'm cutting them to length, and I'm clearing off any bottom leaves and any flowers that might be too low. And then I am putting them in the teacup, knowing that once we fill it up enough, it's going to be standing up. Okay, so right now I'm feeling a little sad for my flowers because they're all floppy. I didn't give them any water yet. So let's go ahead, just lift the precious little heads, pour some water down into the teacup for them to drink. I think I need some more flowers. Okay, here's the finished flower arrangement. These beautiful forget-me-nots. All that's left to do is give it its own little photo shoot to post on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much for taking some time with me and seeing how I made this precious little forget-me-not flower arrangement in my grandmother's forget-me-not teacup. I hope you can find a teacup that has some flowers on it and make an arrangement of your own. Okay, bye.